Can you name this animal in English? What's the first one called? It's a bear. It's a bear. Second one, it's a boar. A boar. Number three, beaver. 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 Number four, eagles. Eagle. Eagle. Number five, unicorn. Unicorn. Number six, pet. 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 Today we are going to learn about animals. The first animal with us is the lion. Look at this. This is the lion. Look at this. This is the lion. Do you know what is this? This is the lion. The lion. The lion is eating camel. This is the camel. Do you know what is this? This is the camel. The second animal with us. This is the ox. Look at this. This is the horse.